Hello Crafty peeps, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you another episode, the third week of our craft kit collaboration. Okay, this week we had to do a shaker tag kit where we had to have the tag 3 by 4 inches or bigger. It had to be at least 3 by 4 inches, and you had to include the shaker bits. This is within the kit. The shaker bits, of course, within the kit for 4 shaker tags. A sentiment and 2 embellishments. Now I forgot to say to add a hanging element, so you can do either. I mean, I should have said this before now, because I'm late on doing my putting my kit together, because I got the grandkids here. I had them all week, but I forgot to add a hanging element. So if you didn't do that, please add a hanging element before you ship it to your partner, guys. I'm sorry about that, ladies. So do that, please. And also, you had to have a to and from on the back of the tag. So this is what mine came in this time. I'm going to decorate this box some more, but this is what mine came in this time. And I'm really proud of this because this is the first time that I used my acetate that I bought, the 12 by 12 sheets that I got from Amazon, and I made my own shaker tag SVG from on my Cricut. So this is the box that came in. Again, I'm going to decorate this more before I send it to my partner. This is what's inside. And first, I'm going to show you the tag because it is so cute. Okay. So this is the tag, and let's see, I got my shaker elements in there, some sequins, really pretty, and I used the new paper collection that I got from Hobby Lobby. I also did a haul on this, I believe, with the paper haul, and it was $5.49 from Prima, and it is called Apricot Honey. So I used this paper, and it was double-sided paper, so it was really cool. I knew from the get-go that I wanted to use double-sided paper, so I used that. And so this is the tag, and it's so cute. I still have to stamp the to and from on the back. I'm going to put to from on the back, but I still have to add that. And I added some of my felt, well, not felt, but it looks kind of like oh god, what's that fabric? Crushed velvet type fabric for the flowers. And I used some of my new foam flowers that I got from AliExpress. I cut this. I've fussy cut this out. I stamped it with one of my clear stamps. Hello, you can see that. That's my sentiment. And so I used my embellishment as my hanging tag. I might go ahead and add something else in here for the second embellishment and just use, just add this extra. I don't know, but yeah. So this is a cute tag, and guys, again, I made this die cut tag on my Cricut. It is so cute. I'm gonna show you out the first one I cut out, and this is what it looks like. I made 2 different sizes, and I put both sizes shapes rather, and I put both shapes in here for my partner too. She can make either this shape or this rectangle shape, but this is what it looks like before it's closed and put together. I just cut it out of white cardstock because I want to see how it turned out before I actually cut it out on my paper. And then this is the second one, the one I actually put together. And again, guys, I'm so proud of this because I made this on my Cricut. I made this own file on my Cricut. I'm going to be doing a video on how I did this on my Cricut, or how I put it together. Okay, so here in the elements is all the things that I had to use to put it together. And so these are the leaves and the sentiment that I added in. Again, I just stamped these and cut them out on the paper. And I put these foam flowers in here. I got 2 of the peach and 2 of the white. And I got the ribbon here, all of the tag elements. I mean, you don't have to use it, have the hanging element, but it would be nice to have something at the top like that. So I, got that and I tied it together. And I got the pieces of acetate for both shapes for 4 again shaker tags, and these are what they look like. Okay, and so now you can see I have score lines on here where they can fold on, if you can see those. So it has score lines for all the little tabs around the sides, and this will be the back piece, or I mean they can fold either way, but I folded because I wanted the print side to be in on the inside, so I folded it in that way, and I made cut 2 of those for them so they can again have it made like this shape, and I made it 2 for this shape, and again that's like just a plain square shape. And I'm so proud of this. This is so cute, and the purple is so pretty. So yeah, so I am sending this to my partner. This is my project for the shaker tag, 3rd week of the craft kit collaboration, and this was fun. Even though I got a late start on this one again because I got my grandkids. I had them all this week, and with the baby I can't do anything. Can't get out here unless he's taking a nap, and he takes cat naps, guys, so I had to be real quick. But I'm so proud of this kit that I put together. I gotta add a few more elements to it, but thanks guys for watching, and again y'all check out the other ladies that's collaborating with their links listed below in the description box, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.